deep wrinkles on my neck. And then we all will die. Hi my lovely souls, welcome back. I'm Neha. I'm originally from India, but I have been living abroad for over a decade now. I've moved through countries, climates, and so many different phases of life. But if there is one thing that stayed constant throughout, it's my love for skincare. Retinol has been a steady part of my skincare routine for a few years now. I have been using it bi-weekly, but today is different. There has been a new buzzword floating all over my feed, and it's called Retinal. Not Retinol, Retinal. And I'm finally trying it right here for the very first time with you. Tonight, I'm testing the vitamin A amazing Bakuchiol, a night cream from By Wishtrend, a Korean skincare brand born out of the community feedback and expert formulation. Cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and prioritize efficacy without irritation. Seems like a perfect match for our sensitive, melanin-rich Indian skin tones. Between this is gifted by the brand, but in no way it is going to impact my review of this product. So let's begin with where I began this journey, understanding what is retinal and why it actually matters. Retinal is a potent form of vitamin A, one step closer to the active form retinoic acid than retinol. That means it acts faster and stronger. In one clinical study, 0.05% retinal performed similarly to prescription strength retinoic acid for anti-aging with fewer side effects, boosting skin thickness, elasticity. Dermatologists confirm retinal offers faster, gentler results than retinol with less irritation, especially important for sensitive or younger skin. A Reddit user has also mentioned 0.05% retinal is stronger yet less irritating than 0.07% retinol. So yes, retinal seems to be faster, stronger, yet often gentler than retinol. Ideal for someone like me, Indian mom abroad seeking effective, no-fuss skincare. This cream blends 300 parts per million retinal and with 10,000 parts per million bakuchiol, a plant-based retinol alternative that boosts collagen and pigmentation control without harshness. And together they seem to form a powerhouse, effective formulation that's soothing and ideal for our skin types. Now I'm prepping my skin cleansed and ready. I will show you how I apply it, how much I use, how it feels. Yes, I'll share any tingles, and how I layer it with my usual hydrating oils and barrier creams. And of course, I will never skip my physical sunscreen in the morning. Ready? Let's dive into my first ever retinal experience. Application, absorption, and immediate skin feel. I want you right here with me, curious, excited, and hopeful. Now we all know that retinol has long been considered a gold standard in dermatology. It's been recommended over and over again by renowned dermatologists around the world for improving fine lines, uneven skin tone, texture, and even breakouts. But with all the buzz around retinal lately, I really wanted to understand how does it stack up. Is it just a trend or a serious upgrade? Well, here is what I found and what actually got me excited to try it. Retinal or retinaldehyde is actually one step closer to retinoic acid than retinol is. That means it works faster, penetrates more effectively, and delivers visible results sooner with a low chance of irritation. And the product I'm trying today, the vitamin A amazing Bakuchiol, a night cream by Wishtrend, takes it a step further. Let's talk a little more on ingredients. As per the brand, this combination is designed to deliver noticeable results while aging without irritation. Retinal helps speed up cell turnover and visibly improves skin texture, while Bakuchiol, a gentle plant-based alternative to retinoids, boosts collagen and reduces fine lines without the dryness or peeling that usually comes with the retinoid use. Together, they are formulated to improve skin texture and reduce pore size, support collagen production and reduce visible signs of aging, work gently, making it ideal even for sensitive skin, and provide deep moisturization while you sleep. And here is something I personally love. It's designed as a treatment night cream that stays on your skin like a nourishing, repairing mask while you sleep, because nighttime is when our skin works hardest. Blood flow increases, collagen production kicks in, and damage from the day like UV exposure is repaired. The formula has also undergone primary skin irritation test for sensitive skin, which is really reassuring if, like me, you have moments when your skin just doesn't tolerate new actives well. So this product isn't just promising results, it's also promising comfort and safety. And honestly, that's the kind of skincare I gravitate towards. Effective but thoughtful. Now, before I take you through my experience of applying and what I felt, I want to share a little story here because it really ties into why I'm trying this product today. A while back, someone left a comment on one of my videos saying I had these deep wrinkles on my neck and that I should probably be doing something about it. Now, I truly believe, or rather I want to believe, this person did not mean any harm. They were likely coming from a good place or maybe even trying to help, but it made me pause. Because here is the thing, I have always had these lines. I won't say I have seen them all my life, life, but they have definitely been there, and honestly, I did not pay much attention to them. It was only when someone pointed it out that I even became aware, and that to me says something. It means these beautiful lines, or rather just lines, haven't impacted my confidence, my appearance, or how I see myself. They've never made me feel less than, and even now, they don't bother me. I'm 39, you guys. You know, lines, folds, texture. This is all part of living and aging. I'm not 15. I'm not trying to be, and I'm completely okay with that. Now, yes, I talk a lot about anti-aging on this channel. I review products that supports skin health as we age, ones that can brighten, firm, boost glow, improve elasticity, but I want to be clear. I'm not here to defy the nature's law. Aging is inevitable. Our skin will glycate. One day we will all have sagging, lines, age spots, bad health, and then we all will die, and that's just life. But if there are products, treatments, procedures that can help maintain our skin better, support collagen, reduce the appearance of certain things, why not? See, if you end up looking more radiant, more refreshed, or even more younger for your age, that's a feel-good factor. It's just for some people that might matter, and for others, not so much. For me personally, skincare is a form of self-care. It's fun, it's exploratory, it's something that I do for myself. So yes, now that those necklines have been pointed out to me, I'm trying this product to see, does it actually reduce their appearance? Because one of the claims is that it works on deep wrinkles, including the neck. But even now, I'm not approaching this with some serious intent. I'm treating this as a fun experiment, and if it works, if I see even a slight improvement, of course I will be amazed and happy, and I won't deny that. And yes, I will definitely film a follow-up video, share progress, and let you guys know what's actually happening over time, because this is real life and I'm here to keep it that way. Moving on to my first experience with this product. First of all, the packaging, I genuinely love it. The soft mauve tones paired with that eccentric pop of neon green. It's such a smart way to elevate a simple minimal design. It's still basic in nature, but the colors bring personality and intention. It's minimal and loud at the same time, which I think reflects the product itself, understated but powerful. Now, because of that neon green and some of the retinal products I've seen in the past, I had a feeling this cream itself might have that typical yellow-green tint, and yes, spot on. The color definitely leans into that signature retinal look. I pumped out just a small amount because honestly, that's all you need. With actives like retinal or even retinol, pea-sized amount is enough for your entire face. I did go in with a slightly extra layer on my necklines just to test if it helps with that over time. When I saw that this formula combines retinal with Bakuchiol, I expected it to be gentle, and it was. I've used a similar combination in the past from another brand, and this one felt just as soothing. No tingling, no irritation. It honestly felt like a moisturizer going on, creamy, nourishing, and smooth. What I really appreciate about Bakuchiol is that it's plant-based and widely known for being a gentler alternative to retinol. It's especially great if you are just starting out with retinoids or have sensitive skin. It gives many of the same skin benefits like improving texture and boosting collagen, but without the harsh side effects that some people experience with traditional retinol. So far, I'm genuinely impressed by how this feels on my skin. It's calming yet promising. I'll be using this cream 2 to 3 times a week, and I plan to track my skin's response carefully, especially these necklines we talked about earlier. I'll be sharing a 4-week progress update, so make sure you subscribe if you're curious to see how this evolves. Let's find out together if this gentle formula delivers real results over time. So stay tuned, stay curious, and stay beautiful.